Welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. Time to learn how to play Oliver Twist. Most of the time when I teach games, I usually have my class learn the song before the game happens, otherwise the song just typically falls apart when we try to play the game. But for this song, it's a little different. I actually teach the game and the movements as the song is being learned as well. So I do this as a sort of echo. So it'll go something like this. Oliver Twist, you can't do this. And then the kids would do that right back to me with their hands like this. Oliver Twist, you can't do this. Then I would go, so what's the use in trying? The next step would be touch your knees, touch your toes, and you tap your knees twice, and you touch your toes twice. Touch your knees, touch your toes. And the final part is clap your hands around you go. So they'd be clapping and spinning around the room. So it'd go like this. Clap your hands around you go. We would echo these patterns back and forth until they were able to put the whole song together in its entirety. Then I'll have them get together with a partner. So they'd be facing a partner and they'd actually be high-fiving their partner. So it would go like this. Oliver Twist, you can't do this, so what's the use in trying? Touch your knees, touch your toes, and on clap your hands around you go. They'd spin away from their partner and wind up somewhere else. Clap your hands around you go. Now at this point you have to prep your students that sometimes they might land by another partner, sometimes they might land by nobody. So if they land by someone new, then they would be high-fiving them. Oliver Twist, you can't do this. If they land by no one, they would high-five their imaginary partner, Bob. So they'd go, Oliver Twist, you can't do this, and they do all the actions with their imaginary partner. Once the kids are able to do this whole process, then I'll start to change it up, and they can replace the main words with just humming. Or we could replace the words with animal sounds, meow, 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 or tweet, 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 but still doing all the actions that would accompany the song. Eventually, once they're super comfortable with the song, I'll have them try to audiate the song. So they're singing it inside their brain, they're hearing their voices going up and down, they're hearing all the words happen. And then the challenge would be to continue to do their actions without singing a single word. Once they do this a few times, they start to realize the beat that their neighbors and classmates are creating just by doing the song. So the sound will go kind of like this. So they would be hearing that beat and hopefully hearing the words inside their brain. And that does it for the song Oliver Twist. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, put them down in the comments below, and be sure to share and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Oliver Twist, you can't do this, so what's the use in trying? Touch your knees, touch your toes,